literally got this 5 minutes ago. I already had the Ecoflow software installed and it connected right away. It recognized an extra Ecoflow product. So I set it to charge at 600 watts. So I'm going to plug it in now and it should start charging. Couple of clicks from the relays and the charging is starting. Fan coming on. 570 watts. I set it to limit to 600 watts first charge. I don't want to stress it by charging it at a very high rate. So it should charge in about an hour and a half or 2 hours. Gonna come back later.